Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change between the heat and the cool mode on your Daikin air conditioner. So first of all, as you can see, this is the remote of the Daikin air conditioner. So what you need to do is you need to simply press this type of on and off button on your Daikin remote in order to basically turn on the air conditioner. Then simply wait for a few seconds until the indoor unit starts up. After doing so, you just have to simply press this type of mode button available, and you need to press the mode button repeatedly. Now each press will cycle through the available operating modes. So here you are going to see all the modes that it is showing you on this particular display. So here if you see this type of snowflake icon, which can look something like this, or if I just zoom it out for you, you are going to see this type of snowflake icon. So when it is shown on the display, it means that you are on the cooling mode. But if you see the sun mode available, it means that it is the heat mode. So once you have selected the mode, you can just simply use the temperature buttons, and for cool mode you can set the temperature lower than the room temperature. For heat mode you need to set the temperature higher than the room temperature. So after changing the mode, you just have to also wait for at least 2 to 5 minutes, as many of the Daikin systems have a built-in protection delay, especially when switching between the heating and the cooling. So the unit may not start immediately, so you need to simply wait for it. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.